tyre maintenance warning light on in the Nissan Qashqai, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset that. So what you'll want to do is go to this button here, which is to the right on the clocks. You get there until you get to settings, and then when you get to settings you press and hold. As you can see, you can scroll down to maintenance, so we just twist this clock to the right and you push in, and then again you turn to the right to get down to tyre, push in, and then we reset. So the tyre maintenance warning light, we click reset and click back and exit out of that now, and that should be your tyre maintenance light reset. As you can see there, the tyre maintenance warning light is gone. We do have maintenance on the other side, but that is how you reset your tyre maintenance warning should it be on. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.